Hey guys, thank you for joining me again. Now in this video I'm going to be quickly showing you what to do after you have taken the free tour in the Livegood opportunity. So you have seen the Livegood opportunity, you have taken the free tour, you start getting some emails to the email that you have provided. What do you do next? It's time to secure your position above everyone else who are joining. So you will get this in your email, securemyposition.com. You click on it. You are then going to input the email address that you used, and then you just click on view team. So I'm using this for Denise. She has given me her permission to use this one. The very first thing I want you to do is to check who your enroller is. If your enroller does not say the person who enrolled you, then you need to check that the enroller is actually the person who shared the opportunity with you. Then you go back to home, you get a couple of prompts. You get join now up here, lock in your position. If you scroll down, you see join. All of these are just prompts to get you to lock in your position. If you look at the power line, you can see that you are placed, this person, she's placed above 174,526 persons. So if she locks in her position, she's going to be above all of those. So let us go and show you what to do to join now. You click join now, you're taken to this page and you put in your information. You put in your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, you put in your shipping address, your country, your name, your address. Then for the state or province, you're going to put in the first 3 letters of that parish. So for Clarendon, it is CLA. And for the postal code, you can just put in 5 zeros. Always put 5 zeros. Select a username, any username that you are comfortable with. Then you select a password, confirm the password. Always read these prompts, between 5 and 16 characters long. Then you have 2 payment methods. You can pay with either your credit, debit card, same thing, or with cryptocurrency. Select the one that is most applicable to you. Then you move on. So you put in the card info, the name on the card. You choose whether it's a Visa, MasterCard, or a Discover card. You put in the card number, the expiration date. So this is going to be the month. This is going to be for the year. And then down here, the last 3 or 4 digits. Well, most Jamaicans are going to be the last 3 digits because we don't really use Discover. So the last 3 digits is the security code on the back of the card. Down here, you just put him at the same address that you had up top. Then your membership selection. So you have 2 options. Option 1, where you pay the one-time affiliate fee of $40, as well as you pay the membership fee, which is $9.95 per month, which is $49.95 at the start. Or we have option 2, where you have a one-time membership, $40, plus we have the $9.95 12 times. However, you will only pay in this instance $99.95 for a membership annually of $139.95, which means that you're saving about 20%, and that's the best value. Then you come down here, you click continue. If there are no issues, they are going to ask that you review the information, and when you're satisfied, you click submit, and at that time you'll be getting the congratulations message. And then I'm going to be also telling you, welcome to Team Wealth Alliance, welcome to Livegood. It's time for us to go diamond. So until the next one, have a blessed one. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Looking forward to seeing you at the top.